you ever find yourself driving with sunglasses and you just can't seem to find the proper place to store them, and where you are putting them is not working out? If you find yourself in that situation, stay tuned, because in this video we're going to be showing you an easy way to store your sunglasses. We're going to be removing this upper grab handle here, because let's be real, who is actually using that thing? We're going to replace that with a sunglass holder, so you guys have an easy way of storing your glasses. For this installation, we are going to be doing it in our 8th generation Land Cruiser, but this will also work on both the driver's side and passenger side of a 5th gen 4Runner and a 4th gen Tacoma, but only on the passenger side. Now, when it comes to color options, we have two. We have black and we have gray, so depending on what color your headliner is, you can get a sunglass holder to match. And when it comes to installing this, you're not going to need much for tools. We have a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is pull down on your grab handle, and you'll see two plastic covers here covering up the part that holds this into the headliner. There's going to be some small little spots where you can put a flathead screwdriver, one on each side. So we're going to go ahead and pop these off. Might take a little bit, just work back and forth from one side to the other. There it goes. Pull that out. If you have trouble using a screwdriver, you could try using a small pick to get these off. It just might come flying off is all. All right, so we got both of those plastic covers off, and to be honest, these were a little bit more difficult to get off than I was expecting, and there's probably no good way to get them off without marring it up using a screwdriver or a pick. You could try using a plastic pry tool, but I think the tip might be too big to get it off. So just note that you're probably gonna put some marks in here, but we are not gonna be using these for the sunglass holder. So with those plastic covers off, now inside the handle you're going to find a metal retaining clip. So you can just compress that a little bit on both sides, and that will remove your grab handle. Now with your grab handle removed, we have to remove these retaining clips. So all you're going to do is squeeze it and pull it out from the headliner. So in your box you're going to find a bag of hardware. It's going to have two new retaining clips that also has some threads for the new supplied screws. So let's go ahead and get these installed into the headliner. So we're going to install them so that the top and bottom of the slot is where it hooks in. So go ahead and put that in place, just like that. Same with this side. So now we have our new sunglass holder. We have one of the supplied screws in there. And we're going to go ahead and line that up and get it started. Take another screw, put it through there, get that lined up. We'll go ahead and start tightening this down. So before we get it tight, let's just go ahead and make it nice and centered on those slots. Get these snug down pretty good. All right, we got both of our screws in. Everything's nice and sturdy. You can see the sunglass holder and how it looks, matches the headliner nicely. The inside also has a nice foam pad to protect your glasses. But the last thing we need to do is put on these small little covers to cover up the screws. So we'll go ahead and line those up, snap it in place. There you have it. So we'll go ahead and throw a pair of sunglasses in here. We're going to put the lenses towards the foam, and you can see those fit nicely, and you can easily go ahead and grab those. All right guys, there you have it. If you have an issue finding the perfect place for your sunglasses, we have the solution here at Yota Xpedition. If you want to pick up one of these sunglass holders for your Toyota, make sure to head over to yotaxpedition.com, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.